Molweni igama lam ndinguMihlali Gqogqonyeka.
Mihlali Awoke Dulaze. I'm so side B. Khayelitsha doesn't even understand it.
We are from Cape Town TV and we just want to share our thoughts on what we think the importance of actually having these type of events apha eKasi particularly. So really do believe ukubana apha eKasi, as you know historically ubana abantu abamnyama, the population of the township is made out of mostly of black people, and you find that the socio-economic statuses of abantu abamnyama in South Africa don't allow us to have resources and the skills, you understand, they are not easily accessible rather to the people abahlala apha eKasi. So it's very important for businesses okanye agencies or companies to come through apha eKasi particularly, because it's even hard for young entrepreneurs to go into a city, you know, where you would usually get these type of resources. So it's very important for them to actually come to eKasi where the entrepreneurs are, where the small businesses are, so that they help them and equip them with skills abazodinga so that the businesses can actually flourish.
Yeah, certainly. And the fact that eKasi, half the time people, like you said, access. Not only that, some things they don't think is within their reach. So the fact that these things are done eKasi and they see them and then they're able to attend. Because growing up beside B, a lot of times these things happened it down. So the fact that it was brought in the township is very crucial in the sense that abantwana abakhulayo abazothi bayaphupha xa befuna yanthola kanjani everything they can see, the access. She said the milk. Growing up, we never thought a business like this would succeed. So the fact that the kids can see it, not only that, we equip them with the skills that they need going forward. It's very important. We need this every month.
Most definitely, man. And I think also just to touch on Iro as a media, as ourselves, because we are broadcasters, it's very important. Information that we send out to our bantu that watch media is very important, because that's what people consume on a daily basis. So whatever it is that abantu balibona ku media, most of the time they imitate it, most of the time they take in whatever you are giving out. So the type of content that is shared on our mainstream media platforms has to be a content that is growing, a content that is enriching to abantu, that perhaps Excel Live, they know, but I learned X, Y, and Z from a certain program at TV.
It's very important for the broadcaster itself to come, because I'm not going to say about they don't watch TV, but the vast majority of the people that consume the content that's out there see it. So Cape Town TV needs to come to places like this so that abantu babone this is what we do, and then because it's a free-to-air channel, Apikapa, and then channel 263 across the globe. So that's important that people see it, and then we broadcast it. They see banners, they don't understand what's going on, but when we follow TV, they understand Mihlali Awoke came through to show you guys business yako, your idea, trust it and pursue it, believe in yourself until the end.
Most definitely, man. I really do hope, as Awanke had said earlier on, that we're going to see more of these workshops and more of these programs being run apha eKasi, so that accessibility even to people that are within our townships, within our situations, within our homes, are able to succeed. Because
definitely. Your idea, trust it, pursue it, research. Part of research is what's going on right now. Research, and then I trust you, so by millionaire jenga.